Sa paanan ng mga bundok sa Hilagang Thailand, nakatayo ang isang lungsod na may 7 siglong kasaysayan. Ito ang Chiang Mai. Lungsod ng mahigit 300 templo, tahanan ng kultura ng lana, at kanlungan ng mga naghahanap ng katahimikan. Ngayon, tuklasin natin ang puso ng Hilagang Thailand. Bago natin i-explore ang kabuuan ng Chiang Mai, ay itong hotel muna na ating pag-istayan ang ating unang lilibutin. Maligayang pagdating sa Noble Boutique Hotel, ang magiging tahanan natin dito sa norte. Strategically located lang ito ilang minutes away from Chiang Mai Old City. Dito, you'll experience the perfect balance ng modern comfort at lano hospitality. Ito ang ating kama. Nasa 5th floor nga pala ang room natin mga kabeheros, kaya medyo mataas ito. May aircon syempre, TV, at komplementary na kape at cup noodles. Pwede na. For today's adventure mga kabeheros, we're going temple hopping here in Chiang Mai. Chiang Mai is home to more than 300 Buddhist temples, and each one is so unique. We'll be visiting some of the most important ones like Wat Phra Singh and Wat Chedi Luang. Remember lang po to dress modestly and be respectful because these are still active places of worship. Tara, let's explore the spiritual side of Chiang Mai. Sa gitna ng Chiang Mai Old City, nakatayo ang Wat Phan Thau, isang temple na gawa halos sa teakwood. Dati itong royal hall, kaya makikita mo yung lana craftsmanship sa bawat detail. Peaceful, historic, and incredibly photogenic. This is the quiet beauty of Chiang Mai. Inside, you'll see this huge golden Buddha, and the whole hall feels so calm and peaceful. Everyone is so loud. I just want a little bit of peace and quiet. Keep it quiet. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Welcome to Wat Chedi Luang, the most famous temple ruin sa Chiang Mai. It was built way back in 1400s and dati dito nakalagay yung Emerald Buddha before it was moved to Bangkok. Imagine that! Ngayon, kahit half destroyed na siya dahil sa earthquake, sobrang powerful pa rin ang presence niya. The whole Chedi is 60 meter tall and yung Lana architecture is everywhere. If you only have time for temples sa Old City, make it this one. Historic, grand, and sobrang daming stories.
just wanna be found. Ooh, I've been lost. I just wanna be found. Give me a sense of direction. Give me some time for introspection. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense of direction. Give me a sense, give me a sense, give me a sense of forward motion. We need to keep on going. We need to keep on going. We need to be forward thinkers.
Right in front of Chiang Mai City Arts and Cultural Center, you'll find the Three Kings Monument. These three kings are the founders of Chiang Mai. Si King Mengrai founded the city in 1296, tapos kasama niya dito si King Ramkhamhaeng of Sukhothai and King Yamuang of Payao. Simbolo sila ng unity, loyalty, and friendship.
Wish that I could cough out my emotions in a healthy manner and just become the right person that actually matters.
Next on our Chiang Mai temple list, Wat Prasing. This is considered the most important temple sa Old City. Bakit? Kasi dito nakalagay yung Prasing Buddha. Isang 700-year-old Buddha image na sobrang sacred sa mga Thai. Pagpasok mo, sobrang ganda agad ng lana murals. Gold, red, and sobrang detailed. Mas lively siya compared sa Wat Che de Luang. So if you want to see art, history, and devotion in one place, Wat Prasing is it.
Wish there was a song with your name as the title. Oh yeah. And the moon.
Hello mga kaberos, kasama ko dito si Jam. At dito pa rin kami sa Chiang Mai. Naglalakad kami kasi naghanap kami ng massage parlor pero wala na kasi nga 11:40 na. Gusto ko sanang tapusin ng video na to dito sa Chiang Mai na gusto ko sanang tapusin yung video na to na nagpapamassage kaso sarado na kasi nga naglaro pa kami sa room sa hotel ng exchange gift at chuchu. Ayun, naubos na kami ng oras. Kaya nga, so sa Chiang Rai na lang siguro kami maghanap ng massage.
Muna ako.
ng massage.
Ako na lang magmamassage.
Kasi late na rin at maaga kami gigising bukas at lilipat kami ng Chiang Rai from here sa Chiang Mai. Okay mga kaberos, hanggang dito na lang muna at sana kayo ay nag-enjoy sa aming temple hopping vlog. Bababay ka na daw. Bye-bye. Ito yung hotel namin, ito na kami. Asan ba yung bahay? Ayan. Oo.